Hello friends, how are you? Hope all are well wherever you are. Welcome back to my channel, Ninja Programming. And the last video we covered tuples and in this video we'll cover the sets. Sets are very powerful structures it store the data unsorted way. I mean there'll be no sort. We have seen the leaks you can sort either ascending or descending, but in the set you can't do it in the set item can be available only one, no duplicate items available I mean you cannot put the two apples in a one set. It has to be only one and sets are very powerful compared to list and tuple so it's a very advantage and it has a very powerful set operator like unions, difference, and intersections we'll do the examples in a code so you can see what is union, what is difference and intersection. It is a very easy to compare items within the set I mean if there is a big large set you can compare the items within the set it's very powerful. So now how to create the set this is how you can create the set. Name of the variables equal to set for the empty, um, and then uh, this is very tricky part if you create the set like this like a my set equal to set and curly brace, this will be created as a dictionary. It will be there will be no set but the empty set, it has to be the first bracket like this curly brace. But if you use the curly brace, it will be the second. It will be dictionary consider Python interpreter will say it's a dictionary. But if you put the items inside it it will be a set so this is a very tricky part. Make sure you remember this. And how to search items, this is how items, name of the items, is it in my set items in my set it will true or false and the search feature I said earlier, get it very fast. It is the advantage of our list and tuple and how to add the items in in a set built-in function my set dot add. This is the name of the set I put the variable name and name of the items this is the built-in function. And if you want to remove anything, there's two functions. One is a discard and if you use the discard method discard functions, then if the item is there inside the set, it will delete it but if there's no items inside that set, it won't give you any error message. But if you use the remove functions and if the item is not available inside the set, it will give you the error message so keep in mind this and sort does not maintain order, so it is not sortable I said earlier it will be unorder if you run the program, you'll see the item is in one order. If you run the second time, you'll see the items are in different order so and you can add and remove the items as well now how to update set what I mean you can add two sets together or the list or tuples you can put together and it will update and create a new set and the new set but make sure you never use the string because if you use the string, it will consider each letter as a sequence so we'll show you an example in a code how to do it how to update the set and this is a very powerful operator very operations inside it has set so let's say I've created two set a first set and second set. And how to do union what is the union? So this is the method first set dot union second set the first set, and this is the symbol in a code we'll use first set and straight line the second set, and this will create one new set with both items for everything together with a create new set and intersection how to do intersection, this operator a first set and the second set, and this will get a new set with only items which are available in both set. Let's say Apple has a available in the first set and Apple has available in the second set, and these items will capture and create a new set. And the difference is when you use the difference in this operator, this will create a new set that are not available in both set. Let's say the Apple is available only one set it's not available in the other set then these items will capture and look at the new set so we'll show you examples in the code what is exactly it is so I hope you guys enjoy please do subscribe my channels and let me know if I am going anything wrong it will encourage me to get more content hope see you next video. Thanks, bye bye.